Hi, I'm Melissa from Focus Training. When our organization goes in to develop leadership development programs for companies, we're often asked the question, where should we start? Who are the leaders that should go through this experience first? And our recommendation to companies is always to start at the top. When you're thinking of employing a leadership or management training initiative organization-wide, it's critical that key leaders in your C-suite or similar roles understand the program. When Focus Training first comes into a company, we initially do what's called an Org 360, where we understand and learn all about the various facets of the organization. What are the goals of key leaders? What are they seeing the needs are for growing and achieving organizational goals in the 1, 3, and 5 years ahead? What's the culture of the company like? What's the language that people in the organization use? When you have your top level leaders go through, first, they can give a lot of specific feedback on how to tweak and customize a program so it best suits your organization's needs. One of the other important benefits is that it will allow those individuals to then coach and model the behavior they learned. If your top level leaders go through a set of training experiences, then when they're coaching, supervising, and working with other people in the organization, they can apply some of those same concepts and give feedback to those individuals when they go through a training experience. Once I've experienced training, now my people go through and I can talk with them one-on-one on specific ways they can grow as individuals and leaders, and also how they can use those skill sets to pay it forward organization-wide. Finally, one of the other important reasons that top-level leaders should go through a program first is that it sends the signal to everyone in your company that leadership matters and that you care about developing your people. We often recommend, if individuals go through a program that are C-suite or top leaders in an organization, that you videotape them going through the experiences or take testimonials of them on video talking about the value of leadership and why it matters organization-wide. That can then be used in subsequent programs as members of teams and employees go through a leadership development experience. So when you're thinking about where to start with leadership development, our recommendation is at the top.